Good morning, students. This is your geography lesson. Students, today we will read the desert areas. Pakistan is a country rich in natural beauty and scenic views. From lush green plains to vast mountain ranges to majestic deserts, Pakistan has it all. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the major deserts in Pakistan. If you see, the desert area in Pakistan is located at three places: the Sindh Sagar Doab or Thal Desert is located between the river Indus and river Jhelum. The Thar Desert is located towards southeastern Pakistan. It is also called the Southeastern Desert. It can further be divided into three main areas: A. Cholistan, B. Nara, C. Thar Parker Thar, and another the Kharan Desert. First of all, we will discuss them separately. Kharan Desert. The Kharan Desert is a vast desert situated in the Balochistan province in southwestern Pakistan. This sandy and mountainous region also served as a site of Pakistan's second nuclear test, Chagi 2, which was carried out on 30 May 1998. The region has a dry climate. The inhabitants of the region are usually into agriculture and farming. The terrain is mainly dry, grey-brown sand that stretches out. 2. Thar Desert. The next major desert in Pakistan is the Thal Desert. It is the largest desert in Pakistan, also known as the Great Indian Desert. Thar Desert is another arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent that covers an area of 200,000 kilometers. The Thar Desert is also the world's 17th largest desert and the world's 9th largest subtropical desert. Number 3. Thal Desert. The third major desert in Pakistan is the Thal Desert. It is situated in Punjab, Pakistan, between the Jhelum and Sindh. It is situated in Punjab, Pakistan, between the Jhelum and Sindh rivers near the Potwar Plateau. The Thal Desert has an approximate area of 20,000 kilometers square. It is also the third largest desert in Pakistan. The desert extends over a length of 305 kilometers and has a width varying from 32 kilometers to as much as 112 kilometers. Around 50 to 60% of the desert is covered in dunes. The desert covers the district of Bhakar, Khushab, Mianwali, Laya, Muzaffargarh, as well as Jhang from the left bank of the river Jhelum. Cholistan Desert. Number 4 is Cholistan Desert. The Cholistan Desert, also known as the Ruhi Desert among the locals, is located in the southern region of Pakistan. The name is derived from the Turkic word chol, meaning sands, and istan, a Persian suffix meaning land of. In ancient years, the desert was a fertile region with water coming from the Himalaya range. The area later turned into a center of caravan trade, which led to the establishment of many forts, including the Derawar Fort. Cholistan covers an area of 25,800 km in the Bahawalpur, Bahawalnagar and Rahim Yar Khan districts of southern Punjab. Page number 26. In the desert areas of Pakistan, the direction of sand dunes is mainly longitudinal north-south direction. So, what is the feature of wind blowing? The dunes, sand dunes direction? The sand dunes direction is from north to south because of the direction of the winds. Because in the desert areas, wind blows from north to south direction. However, some latitudinal sand dunes can also be observed. Similarly, some east to west direction sand dunes can be observed. Latitude lines run from east to west direction. With the help of irrigation, some areas have been reclaimed for cultivation. As desert is barren land, but with some development and the possibility of water in this area, some of the part is made possible for cultivation. Life in desert areas is predominantly affected by the environment. Mainly. So the life in desert is not so easy. The area is barren, dry and full of dry winds. The environment is not pleasant for the inhabitant of that areas. Lack of water and constant erosion of land by strong winds does not allow many productive human activities, e.g. farming. As this is a dry land, this is a dry area, there is shortage of water, only the area is dependent upon rainfall, but there is also no chance of heavy rainfall most of the time. So shortage of water and constant erosion of land by strong winds does not allow this area to produce crops and to irrigate the land. The people are not able to grow crops here. They are not able to irrigate their land with water because of unavailability of water here. However, desert areas can be made productive if irrigation facilities are provided. As there is shortage of water, but some steps can be taken here to irrigate this land, as the government can provide channels or link canals to that area to irrigate the dry land. A major part of Thal Desert has been converted into farmland by canals from the Sakhar barrage built on the Indus. Students, Thar Parker or Thal Desert consists of two words. Thar means desert while Parker stands for the other side. Third Parker is used for the two distinct parts of Sindh province. The desert may have rich mineral deposits, especially mineral oil, shown by the recent discovery of many oil and gas fields in the southeastern part of the Thal Desert. Students, different minerals deposits are scattered throughout the desert areas. The desert has valuable reserves of minerals such as phosphate, gypsums, oil, etc. And these minerals are used to produce a range of things from cement to fertilizers, etc. So, this is your lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.